Welcome, my name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to produce liquid soap with extra foaming power. And so if you're new to this channel, I suggest you click on the subscription button so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Well, people have always asked me, what can I do to make my liquid soap lather well? Just like I said earlier, in this particular video, I'm going to show you the simple things you can do to improve and boost the foaming power of your liquid soap. But before we do that, first let's take note of the precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals like skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Liquid soap can be made from the following materials. These are nitrosol, caustic soda, soda ash, sodium tripolyphosphate also known as STPP, sodium lauryl sulfate also known as SLS, sulfonic acid, foaming booster, color, perfume and preservative. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 15 liters of liquid soap with extra foaming power. Nitrosol 50 gram, caustic soda 40 gram, soda ash 200 gram, STPP 60 gram, SLS 50 gram, sulfonic acid 850 ml, foaming booster 500 ml, color 3 tablespoons, perfume 30 ml and preservative 2 tablespoons. Now you will notice that in our previous videos, to produce 15 liters of liquid soap, we will use half a liter of sulfonic acid, which is 500 ml. In this particular preparation, in order to improve and boost the foaming power of our liquid soap, we're using 850 ml of sulfonic acid instead of 500 ml. Now these are the materials. This is nitrosol, this is caustic soda, this is soda ash, this is sodium tripolyphosphate also known as STPP, this is sulfonic acid, this is foaming booster, sodium lauryl sulfate also known as SLS, this is color, this is perfume, and this is preservative. The first thing we're going to do is to dissolve all the solid particles in water. We're going to start with SLS. Now dissolve the SLS in water and keep aside. Do the same thing with soda ash. Dissolve in water in another container and keep aside. In the same manner, dissolve the caustic soda in water in another container and also keep aside. Now you can dissolve your nitrosol in water. Sprinkle the nitrosol into the water carefully and at the same time stir very well. Stir the solution very hard to avoid lumps formation. Please note that the total volume of water required for this preparation is 15 liters, including the volume of water we're going to be using to dissolve all the solid particles. Stir the solution so hard for about 5 minutes to dissolve all the particles of the nitrosol. Now add the caustic soda solution to the nitrosol solution and stir the solution very well. Now add the soda ash solution to the soap solution. You can now add the SLS solution to the soap solution also. Stir the soap solution very well. Now dissolve the STPP in water and keep aside. As the STPP dissolves in water, you can add your sulfonic acid to the soap solution. Here we are using 850 ml of sulfonic acid instead of 500 ml in order to produce liquid soap with extra foaming power. Now you can add your foaming booster. At this point, you can add your STPP solution to the soap solution. You can now dissolve your color in water and add to the soap solution. You will notice that the soap solution is foaming aggressively. Now add other ingredients like perfume and preservative and allow the soap solution to calm down before stirring, or you can simply transfer the soap solution to a larger container to give room for stirring. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here is our final solution. After letting it stand for 30 minutes, our multi-purpose liquid soap is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.